Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to give you 4 reasons why Shopify is the best platform for e-commerce websites. 1. Shopify offers a user-friendly interface, which makes it easy to set up and manage an online store. With great navigation, you can easily add products, track inventory, and process orders without being a coding expert or having technical skills. 2. Shopify offers a secure platform for online transaction. It provides a range of payment gateways, including PayPal, Stripe, and Apple Pay for secure online payments. In addition, Shopify offers SSL certificates to ensure that the customer data is encrypted and secure. 3. Shopify offers flexibility in design and customization. Shopify provides a wide range of great-looking templates for different types of stores. Users can also create design from scratch using drag-and-drop builders or hire a developer for custom design work. Like us, just look in the description box and we'll be happy to do it for you. 4. Shopify offers a wide range of apps to enhance the functionality of your store. Users can choose from over 4,000 apps in the Shopify App Store to integrate with different services such as email marketing, social media, analytics, and more. In conclusion, Shopify provides an all-in-one solution that is easy to use, secure, flexible, and customized. That is why it is considered the best platform for e-commerce websites. Thank you for watching, and please, if you need any help at all, please just go in the description box and make an appointment with us, and we will be more than happy to help you. I hope this video helped you. Just hit the like button if it gave you value, and leave us a comment about this video. If you have any questions, let us know. We'll be happy to answer them. We look forward to helping you with your business. We will see you on the next video. Make sure to subscribe, and don't give up on that business. Bye.